Is this the cordless phone that will finally drag your office into the 21st century? The Yealink AX83H certainly makes a strong case. This isn't your grandma's landline handset. We're talking Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, and a whole host of features packed into a sleek gray design. First impressions. It feels solid. The plastic construction doesn't feel cheap, and the weight, just under a pound, gives it a reassuring heft. The inclusion of both wall and stand mounting options is a nice touch, offering flexibility for different office setups. But let's get to the good stuff, the tech. Wi-Fi 6 is a big deal, promising a stable and fast connection, which is crucial for clear calls, especially when you're roaming around the office. And speaking of roaming, Yealink boasts advanced seamless roaming technology. In practice, this means fewer dropped calls as you move between access points. I was genuinely impressed with how smoothly it transitioned between different Wi-Fi signals. Bluetooth 5 is another welcome addition, allowing you to connect a wireless headset for hands-free calls. The built-in 3.5 headset jack is still there for those who prefer a wired option. The HD audio quality is noticeably better than older cordless phones. Voices sound crisp and clear, and the smart noise cancellation does a decent job of filtering out background distractions. The AX83H supports up to 5-way conferencing, which is a handy feature for team calls. The quick charge capability is also a plus, ensuring you're not constantly tethered to the charging base. And for those who need it, the vibration alert is a subtle but useful feature. The inclusion of a belt clip might seem a bit old school, but it's a practical addition for those who need to keep their phone close at hand while moving around. The Type-C port is a modern touch for charging. Honestly, the Yealink AX83H feels like a well-thought-out and feature-rich cordless phone. It's not just about making calls, it's about integrating seamlessly into a modern office environment. So is it worth the upgrade? If you're still using an outdated cordless phone system, the Yealink AX83H is a significant step up. The combination of Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, HD audio, and seamless roaming makes it a powerful and versatile tool for any business. It's a solid investment that should improve communication and productivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.